Hey guys, welcome back. It's review for test 3. When I go over that, it's 60 question test, and you will have like normal 120 minutes to complete the exam, and it's open until April 14th. I know the syllabus said April 7th, but it's open until April 14th. So the first thing that you want to make sure you know is that what should a nurse manager be doing to make sure he or she can maintain adequate staff, um, to understand the nurse manager's role in recruitment, to understand the relationship between the national and local economy and an organization's ability to maintain an adequate workforce. Understand the how you can ensure interreliability with different individuals when they're conducting interviews during the interview process. Understand what a nurse manager can do to reduce bias while interviewing different candidates. Understand how a nurse manager should plan, conduct, and control an interview. Understand what selectors should do when they're processing employment applications. Understand how a manager should makes the decision of where to place a new employee within the organization. Understand the induction phase of employee indoctrination. Know interview questions that are acceptable, things that aren't. Like, are you able to ask somebody their religious preferences? No. Can you ask if they are a part of professional organizations? Yeah, that's appropriate. Like those kind of things. Um, Understand when nursing shortages occur. Know what mentorship is. Understand how a manager can help a new RN become part of get in their role. What the nurse manager's role is when hiring and helping new RNs acclimate to their new positions, and how they help socialize new nurses. How managers help socialize new nurses. Understand how managers can help promote evidence-based practice within their units. How understand how a unit supervisor or mid-level manager can help an RN take on a new role. So say you have someone that was promoted to a charge nurse, understand how the supervisor helps others understand their new role and get acclimated to it. Understand the difference between an educational workshop and a training workshop. Understand the principles of androgyny during an educational offering. Understand how you can know if somebody has a readiness to learn or not. Understand how you can be fiscally responsible when determining staffing in a hospital. Know the difference between centralized staffing and decentralized staffing. Understand the principles of staffing and scheduling from a manager's perspective. Understand a functional nursing model versus a team nursing model. Understand motivational theorist Victor Vroom, what his theory was and what he did. Know Hertzberg's motivation hygiene theory. Understand intrinsic motivation and how that can affect your employees. Understand McClellan's theory and what they said motivates achievement-oriented employees. Know McGregor's theory X. Understand Maslow's hierarchy of needs. Understand Saul Gellerman's theory and how he motivates employees. Know about the Skinner theory of motivation. How can a nurse manager ensure that they're being they're communicating well and they're being interpreted correctly by their staff? Sorry. Understand how nonverbal communication can have an impact in the way people perceive their managers. Know what a storming stage is when it comes to councils or committees. Know what an assertive communicator is, what that means. Understand the role of a gatekeeper and what their process is. Okay, guys, that does it for the review. If you know all that, you've done your reading, you should be good to go for the exam. Okay, good luck, everybody.